Do you need a reliable and efficient repair service to get your optical test instruments back up and running in a shorter lead time? Our Yokogawa Laboratory and Repair Centre, located in Bangkok, Thailand, operates in compliance with ISO IEC 17025 accredited testing and calibration standards. We maintain and repair optical test instruments for our customers throughout Southeast Asia and Oceania to provide high-quality repair services with fast turnaround time. Our highly skilled calibration and repair team will ensure that your optical test instruments are up to the highest standards. From calibration to repair, we have got you covered. You can enjoy a peace of mind knowing that your instrument needs are well taken care and supported by our headquarter experts. We are committed to deliver excellence and only repair with original Yokogawa parts to ensure the best possible instrument repair and maintenance services. If you are looking for reliable programs for your business, we offer a range of comprehensive services. These include our ISO 17025 certified calibration with adjustment, repair services that utilize only original Yokogawa parts for top quality fixes. You can also take advantage of our annual calibration and service contract, which helps you reduce paperwork on ISO process production downtime, while also providing a loaner unit within 3 days. But that's not all. We also provide an on-site calibration services, instrument management, and top-notch lab and technical consultation services to ensure that you have the support you need. You can trust us for all your service and instrumentation needs. Contact us with any inquiries and experience the peace of mind that comes with working with a trusted partner. We are the precision makers.